You know what? I'll do it right now. Put on a good song. Send it to Blizzard. What's a good song? I don't know. I'll play something just like random. Blizzard, many years ago, you were a paragon of excellence and quality and gameplay first. Nowadays, these servers serve as only really one thing: to show how far you've fallen. You've cut costs, you've vanquished opportunities, and you've just allowed this bullshit and this attitude that you have towards spending money and investing back into your community. And you've just given up. You're not even trying. Like, it's not even like, I would be like, okay, it's fine. You know, maybe they're trying to do something a little bit better. They're not. You're not trying. The game has been like this for years. And you don't care. You don't. Because you don't, I mean, at least with the communication, you don't care about communicating. If you did, then you wouldn't be saying the same thing every expansion whenever people get mad about it and making no real lasting changes. You don't care, okay? And I'm okay with that. It's fine. It doesn't matter. But you don't even care enough about this to tell us that you care. Like, you won't even lie to us about this. It's a fucking disgrace. When I think about the greatest moments in WoW, I think about the large-scale battles, the wars. The wars in World of Warcraft. I'm not talking about small skirmishes of 4 people fighting in Tanaris because somebody stole somebody else's mithril mine. I'm talking about a 40v40, an 80v80. You know, the same shit that is in your cinematics. At the time whenever you cannot enact the cinematic of the game without the servers crashing, you've got a fucking problem. This is a disgrace. World PvP is a fucking disgrace. The servers are terrible, and they need to get better. That's all it comes down to. There's nothing else more to it than that. I don't care what the excuses are. I don't care what the reasons are. At the end of the day, the only thing that I see is a dysfunctional game. Wait, oh, I thought I turned off war mode. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're not going to heal. Come on, dude. You're not going to heal. Okay. I failed. You made me fail my quest, man. I thought I turned off war mode. Okay, the video got interrupted. Fearing? Just so I can do something for this guy. He's trying to run away. And I'm losing reputation. I'm revered. I'm losing rep. You're making me lose reputation. This is why I fucking hate it. So fucking annoying. I didn't even hit them. Okay, this guy's dead. Oh, it's a blood DK. Fuck, man. Yeah, I'm actually losing rep. Today is not my day, man. Who cares? Who cares? Just kill me. What's your next game? I don't know. Let's talk about that. What do you guys think my next game should be? Like, I was thinking I kind of wanted to play Cuphead and see what that's like. I really, really wanted to play Cuphead and try that out. What do you guys think about that? Well, Bloodborne is going to be like my next main game, right? Cuphead is just going to be for like a day or two or something like that, right? It's not like a consistent thing that I'm going to be doing for like a week or anything like that. It's just like a change of pace. And I might either try Cuphead. It's kind of in between Cuphead and Super Seducer, honestly. In terms of like content that's a little bit different. These people are just going to chase me down. This is why, like, and like if I try to respond to them, right, I literally cannot play in war mode as a streamer. Because if I do, I just get sniped by people all the time, right? Like this guy or whatever. And then if I bring people to defend me, then the servers crash. So I literally can't play the game. It's... You think about it, right? I mean, there's no outcome that I can do that's positive. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's frustrating. I should do a straw poll. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying this is not a committal, right? So, like, based off of this straw poll, it doesn't mean I'm going to do it, but we will try it out. Okay. Straw poll. Okay, so the games. Which one next? Witcher 3. Cuphead. Super Seducer. Let's see. I think those are... Oh, wait. Let me do it again. Sorry. Getting over it. Okay, and let's see. I don't know if I want to do God of War, because it's just going to be the same thing, right? Yeah, let's just go with these right here. Okay, for these 4 games. I'll add God of War in anyway. Yeah, since I already have the game, fuck it. Okay, let's look at the results. I'll post it in chat right now. There you go. All right, guys, vote with what you want. Okay, let me just get out of there. All right, and I will horseback road my garrison so I don't just get attacked. Wow. Witcher 3 is ahead by a lot. Here's my concern with Witcher 3. Is that it's going to take so long to beat. This is what I was thinking about in my head. That's usually where I think about things, but, you know, sometimes it's in other places. But, I was hoping that I would do Witcher 3 maybe, like, next weekend. Or, actually, like, the weekend, I don't know, like, when the fuck would that work? Like, I could do it for a few days. I want to look at my schedule. Because here's my concern, right, is I don't want to do it inside of Bloodborne. So if I did Witcher 3 on maybe Thursday... Okay. So if I did Witcher 3 on this Thursday... because I'm going to do the raids on these days here. And, I do Witcher 3 on this day. Maybe play it on Friday, too. I usually take Fridays off, but, you know, if I'm having a good time, I'll play it again. And then I could play it in the evenings after that. Like, at like 9 p.m. or something like that. What do you guys think about that? Because it seems like that's the smartest thing to do. Because, like, I don't think it'll be a good game as, like, my main... Wait, what? What? What, I got a weekly chest? What? Really? Oh my god! Okay, dude, let's go see what I got. What the fuck? I had no idea. Okay, here we go. Let me turn off the war mode. Oh, dude, I'm gonna go get my fucking chest. Alright, here we go. Just a second. Look, let me show you guys. I don't know if it showed up on screen. Look at that. That's a Sparkle Boy right there. Yo. Here we go. This is gonna be good, boys. It's gonna be real good. Wait, where am I going? Oh, I was trying to go to Boralius. Actually, you know what? This will actually be fast. No, it won't. Let me go over this way. Okay, war mode. I turned off war mode. Yeah, it's off. I don't want to have to deal with that. Okay, let me go fly over there, and I'll open up my fucking chest. I forgot all about it. Let's go. Skip the song? Okay, sure. All right, boys. Let's open up the chest. Now, I'm really hoping this is going to be good. I absolutely love opening up boxes on stream. I've actually thought about doing P.O. box openings, and so I can open up more boxes IRL on stream. I really like the idea of opening up boxes, because it's like basically opening box. It's like every day is Christmas. You know what I mean? Every day is Christmas. That's what matters, and I like it. But today is a Tuesday, so it's time for the box. Let's go. Fucking stupid mount. Check the loot shit. Oh yeah, that's what I should do. I should make my own CSGO skin trading website. Okay, here we go. All right, I actually do have to turn this down now. It's a little bit too loud. Okay. Boys, I didn't even know this was going to happen. I totally forgot about it. But we're here. And it's time to open up this motherfucking box. I don't know what's going to be in this. I don't know the item level of what this is going to be. I have no fucking idea. Hopefully it's going to be good, though. Huh? Okay. Tell me if it's going to be good. Tell me if... Wait, no, my spec. Okay, good. I had good spec. All right, it's fine. Okay. All right. Tell me what it's going to be. Tell me what it's going to be. Is it good or not? What? What? But why?